We are here in a park right now. We wanted to test the performance on the new AR drone from Parrot. The drone is very stable right now. We're controlling it from here. Good afternoon, friends. Today we have a special video, special clip. Today we're going to talk about the AR.Drone 2.0 from Parrot. It is the newest edition, it's the elite edition. So stay tuned because we're going to have a little tutorial and a little review about this newest toy. Drones are the new thing, the fashion, so we hope you like it. Maximus and I will do this review. This drone specifically comes with a stabilization system, photo and video recording, and you have a real and live cam in your control, which is in this case again the phone or the iPad. We're gonna start with the unboxing. As you can see, it's box very very well done. I mean, with a nice image of the drone with a new presentation, and it's YouTube friendly. Voila! So here is the drone as it comes. As you can see, first frame, which is the frame with the protectors, with the circular protectors. Second, and very important, it's a battery. This is the other cover, the cover for the outdoor, which is only this. It comes with a box. This one pretty much it's for the different type of connectors depending on the country that you live in. And the drone, here's the space with the capacitor for the battery, and this is the connection for a USB. I don't know if you can see it here. This is the camera, the HD camera, and on the back of it you'll see these two. These are two sensors for the landing and taking off. It also comes with the main manual, quick start guide. 3 easy steps, guys. Step number 1, and most important, you have to get either a smartphone or an iPad or tablet. Any of those will work, and you have to download the application. You can look it up for AR.Drone 2.0. Step number 2, very important, you take out the cover of your drone, and once you have it here, you're gonna see here this place, I don't know if you can see it, right here, you're gonna stick the battery with the cables going to the front, towards the front of the drone. As you can see, here is the front of the drone because it has the camera. You always put it like that. Put the belt very, very tight so you don't have movement on the battery while the drone is flying. You have to connect the battery with the drone motors. Lights coming out. Once the motors are synchronized, that will mean that the drone is in a flat area, in a flat position, and it's ready to fly. There are 2 covers that comes with the drone. One is for the outdoors, which is pretty much this little thing here, made of styrofoam, and the second one is this beauty. It's pretty much 4 circles protecting the motors, and this will be necessary for indoor. Let's do the assembly of the indoor cover. We'll go like this. This is where the camera goes through, so you can see there, and you just put it like this. So far we can tell that it's for start level to learn how to use a drone. It will be a great deal. It's about $299 retail price. I encounter a couple of things. I mean, first of all, it has to be a day where there's no wind at all. The second thing is that the Wi-Fi connection is kind of dummy. I mean, you know, if you're around satellites or things like that, it's gonna be very, very dummy, and the connection is gonna be unstable. Besides that, I think, guys, this is a nice toy.